welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to get BeReal notification. Now to do that, open the application. You are at the home page of BeReal first. So here you need to tap on the profile name on the top right corner of your screen. Tap that. It will direct you to the profile page of yours. Here you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right of your phone screen. Tap that. With this, you will be at the setting page of BeReal. Here, you need to scroll down and tap on notification inside configuration. Tap that. This is the notification settings in BeReal. Here, you will have the option of choosing whether you want to get notified or not. Here are the options available on what you will be notified for. So there's comments, mention, friend requests, BeReal Let's, Real emojis. So here you can tap on the toddler and move it to the right side, turning it into the blue color. With this, you have just enabled BeReal notification. After this, you will be notified each and every time you will have any change or the updates on BeReal. So this is how you can get BeReal notification. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.